this big, this bold, and it's back in style. Say hello to the all-new 2026 Lincoln Continental, a name that once defined American luxury, now completely reimagined for the future. If you thought luxury sedans were dead, Lincoln just proved otherwise. In today's video, we're diving deep into this majestic ride. Its sleek exterior, first-class interior, powerhouse performance, pricing, and everything in between. So buckle up, because the Continental is making one elegant comeback. The 2026 Lincoln Continental is longer, lower, and leaner than its predecessor. It's sculpted with precision chrome trim runs from nose to tail, giving it a continuous, flowing silhouette. Up front, you're greeted with a redesigned grille inspired by Lincoln's quiet flight design philosophy. Wide, commanding, and tastefully aggressive. The new digital LED headlights are sleek and adaptive, adjusting automatically for optimal visibility. Around back, a full-width LED light bar makes a bold statement, day or night. And the wheels? You get your pick. From 19-inch turbine-inspired rims to striking 22-inch alloys on the Black Label edition. It's old-school luxury meets modern muscle. Step inside the Continental, and you're stepping into a sanctuary. Lincoln wasn't just aiming for luxury, they were aiming for peace. And the tech? It's refined, not overwhelming. A 15.5-inch central touchscreen floats above a redesigned dash. Lincoln's SYNC5 system is faster, smarter, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. The base 2026 Continental comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, pumping out a respectable 400 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. But the real star is the new plug-in hybrid V6, available on upper trims. It combines electric motors with a turbocharged gas engine, delivering up to 495 horsepower, instant torque, and over 40 miles of electric-only range. All-wheel drive is standard across the lineup, and Lincoln's adaptive drive control system reads the road 500 times a second, adjusting suspension, steering, and braking in real time for a cloud-like ride. 0 to 60, around 4.9 seconds for the hybrid variant. Quiet, powerful, effortless. With all that luxury, you're probably wondering, what's the damage? Well, the 2026 Lincoln Continental starts at around $59,000 for the reserve trim. The plug-in hybrid Grand Touring starts closer to $68,000, and the top-of-the-line Black Label edition, with every luxury box ticked, comes in around $82,000. Pricey? Sure. But compared to a BMW 7 Series or a Mercedes S-Class, it's a serious value with American soul. The 2026 Lincoln Continental isn't just a car. It's a statement, a tribute to American elegance, reinvented for a new generation. In a world where SUVs rule the road, Lincoln is daring to bring back the classic luxury sedan, and they've done it in style. So what do you think? Is the new Continental the return of the American luxury king? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cars that are changing the game.